Welcome to Wavelength. Today we'll be looking at working with custom performance appraisal questionnaires. Questionnaires complement the performance appraisal process and help you collect data points about your employees that aren't captured in the standard performance appraisal process. Questionnaires can be designed to help score an employee's overall production for a specific period. Performance appraisal questionnaires are found in Wavelength Administration. Select Workforce Manager, then Performance Appraisal Questionnaires. On this screen you'll be presented with a directory of all of the performance appraisal questionnaires you currently have set up in the system. From this screen you can view or edit an existing questionnaire, or create a new one. Let's look at creating a new questionnaire. First, name your questionnaire accordingly. Next, select the type of questions you would like to ask. Questionnaire type equals performance appraisal questionnaires, and type equals your desired type. Selecting standard questions will display all of the questions you create for your questionnaire to the manager completing the appraisal. Selecting random questions and then defining the number of random questions to display will choose questions randomly from your created questions until the number you have defined has been reached. Selecting random questions per category and then defining the number of random questions to display will choose that number of questions from each category of question created. Finally, associate your new questionnaire with a department, or multiple departments if applicable. Now you're ready to create your questions. To create a question, select Create. Click on the question to expand. Add your question into the first field. Add a description if applicable. Next, let the system know if an answer is required. Next, identify the question type. You have 4 options to choose from. Text type are ideal for data capture and short one-word answers. Note type provides more character space to elaborate on an answer. Selection type are ideal for yes-no answers, and multi-selection are for scenarios when several normalized answers can apply. For selection or multi-selection types, you will have to add the choices you want to be presented. Select Create Choice. Add your choice, yes or no for example. Scores can be used to score an employee's answer as it applies to their overall production and performance. For example, if you evaluate an employee's attendance during the appraisal period, you can add a score to 20 to greater than 90%. 15 for greater than 85%, 10 for greater than 80%, etc. Save your question and repeat the process as needed. When you have completed the questionnaire, select Save. Your new questionnaire will now be available in the Performance Appraisal Questionnaires directory.